Are you or someone that you know a diabetic? Type 1 or type 2? Do you or that person that you may know ever struggle with all that comes along with diabetes? The time, the energy, the emotions that come alongside in living with diabetes? Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I am a diabetic lifestyle coach, speaker, and author. But more importantly, I'm also a type 1 diabetic since the age of 2. I get it. Diabetes can be so overwhelming sometimes. But did you know that it doesn't have to be? I would like to invite you to a 5-series workshop, virtual workshop, that I will be hosting in March entitled Diabetic Management 101. During the 5 weeks from March 7th until April 4th, we will be talking about my signature 5 principles of health. Each week we will unpack an aspect of what it means to live with diabetes and how possibly we can transform your view of diabetes from I hate it and it's the enemy to I can partner with it, and together we can learn how to live together. Sometimes diabetes can just seem like a very one-sided event that's happening in our lives. And I get that, I really do. But I want to help you know that there's a way to move beyond where you are. My first 30 years of living with diabetes were a nightmare. I am legally blind today as a result of not having good information and not taking care of myself. But fortunately, I was able to transition from that point in my life to where I am today, where I live the life that I love living. I live intentionally, vibrantly, and on purpose. That's what I want to give to you. I would love for you to share this information, share this email with someone else that you know could benefit from this kind of information. During each session, we'll be doing some training, also some lively discussion, and then some action steps that you can take to help move you forward in this process. I am so excited about this opportunity to share with you what I have discovered so that you can move from, I hate my diabetes, to, okay, I can live the kind of life that I'd like to live, understanding that it's still there and it still has to be taken care of, but dealing with the emotional side of it maybe not being so overwhelming. I look forward to seeing you on March 7th. That's our first one, and then going through the following 5 weeks. Take care now.